Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Well, if you watched my last video, I had a massive haul. It mightn't have been my last one. I'll link it up here in the corner if you hadn't seen it. I had done a massive haul, and on the haul was these You Are Sugar plates, so I thought I would swatch them quickly for you. And I will start off with the Cactus one, if I can find. Oh yay, look, this is the Cactus one. So this is URM06, and it is a really cute plate with some really cute cactuses. Look at this guy running away, OMG. Yeah, so I really liked this. Cactuses are so popular right now, so I said I would get this and I would swatch it. It's not backed, it just has a sticker on the back of it. I'm sure if you got some acetone on that you would lose the sticker. I do like the ones that have the hard cardboard or sometimes plastic backing, like you can see on this S-joint plate. It has the backing on it. I do prefer those ones, but anyhow, we won't be miffed for something that's less than £1. I will link below where I got it. So we'll start off with this plate here. On my nails, I'm actually just going to stamp it on top of them. I have applied 2 coats of that green that I made myself. If you haven't seen how I make my own polishes, I will link up above in the corner here a video as to how I made, I think I made 7 pastel colors, and then I just have it topped with a chunky glitter hollow top coat. So that's, we're going to stamp over these. Very cute, I really love it. So many little images on that, and I'm just going to use the Born Pretty black stamping polish. So let's jump in. That picked up absolutely perfect. There we have, oh, that's super cute. And as usual, I am just going to use a lint roller to clear off my nail plates. I might actually just off camera quickly put some liquid latex on my fingers, because otherwise I'll have a massive cleanup job with them. I don't. Now that is just because I didn't apply enough polish, I think. And it might be the fact that I might need a more flexible scraper as well. So I'm going to clean off the plate and get more polish and a different scraper. Yeah, there we go. That picked up absolutely perfect. Quite cute indeed. Now, it is quite a short image, but it didn't transfer. Oh, my nails are a bit oily. I'm not, maybe it's from the oil on my nail. When I took off the cuticle remover on, or the liquid latex, and I oiled my hands. Okay, so that's why that happened, but not to worry. Obviously you could colour all of these in individually as well. So there we go. This is my first time trying out any of the U or sugar plates, and I think this one worked brilliantly. Yes, I did have trouble with this cactus, but that was my own fault, absolutely not the plates. So yeah, so what do you think, guys? Do you like them? Let's jump into the next one. So excuse the bad polish on my nails. It's on my nails about 6 days now. Obviously I'm staggering these videos, so this one was filmed obviously with the green polish, and now I have this peachy colour. But yeah, so the next plate is the U or sugar, U or 10, and it's the April Fool's plate. So obviously we are in the middle of June, and I do not want like Happy April Fool's Day, but I wouldn't mind some of the bunting on my nails. So I will do a few stamps so you can see how this one works, and then I will do I'll just do the bunting on my nail then. So as with all of the plates that I get, they come with these protective films as with the other one, so we'll just remove it. Just quickly showing some of the images. So we have bunting and some lips and some like clown shoes, kick me sign, emojis, cards, a balloon leaking water, a Happy April Fool's Day, a ghost, a Jack in the Box, a wind up mouse, the wind up teeth. Not really sure what this one is, but very April Fool's Day appropriate indeed. So I'm just going to clean that off with some pure acetone. We'll remove any sticky residue. I don't usually stamp onto paper, but I'm just doing it really quick this time just to show you some of the images before I get into that bunting. So there we go, all of the images pick up fine. Obviously they were a little bit blurry here because I dropped the stamper head onto the nail plate. So let us just clean that green off, and we will go in with some black, and I will then do some of the lovely bunting. And so looking at it, all of the bunting really is quite similar. Like it has the dots and the stripes, the dots and the stripes, the dots on the stripes. This one here does not have, I have a fly, I hope it doesn't fly in to my camera. Yeah, this one doesn't have dots and stripes, it just has like little lines, but I like the dotty stripy one, so let's go with that. So I'm just going to put that on the other hand then. So that is another You or Beautiful plate that stamps perfectly. Just trying to get my camera in focus there. So I will do the other two under another video, otherwise this will end up being really long. So if you like this video, please guys hit that subscribe button. There's so many of you out there watching my videos and not hitting it. Hit the button, hit the bell. Sharing is caring. I'm really trying to grow this channel, and don't forget, if you click that little circle with the purple hands, you will subscribe, and this one, the square one, will bring you on to our next video. So until next time, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.